So I have a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. Customer brought it in because it was missing on cylinder 3. So we replaced the coil pack and I did spark plugs. It still came back on. So I was like, what the heck? I checked the fuel injectors. They're running fine. I replaced the fuel injector on cylinder 3. Still doing the same thing. Cylinder 3 misfire code. So I took the valve cover off. You come down in here. And you go to the cylinder 3 rocker. That'll definitely cause your mess right there. All the wiring and everything's good too, the cylinder 3. So, I mean, I did everything. That's not good. So, sometimes it could be rockers. I mean, it could really be something like that. That can cause some little thing, but it's pretty major. But yeah.